Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I am here today to show you a little experiment on this National Science Day. So let's get started. So first I will take 2 cups, okay? 2 cups. I will take normal water in this cup, okay? And I will take cold water in this cup, okay? Cold water. Now this is Fabicol, okay? This is Fabicol. I will mix this Fabicol with the normal water, okay? Again I will mix this Fabicol with the cold water, okay? Cold water, okay? Cold. Now see what happens, okay? See. So friends, what we have learned from this experiment? We have learned from this experiment that Fabicol dissolves in water. Thank you. Bye bye and subscribe my video.